Hey there, it's Walter here from FX Jake, and if you're watching the markets here, it's the Asian session, and you may have noticed that you see these huge spikes up on pairs such as the pound dollar, also the euro dollar has a similar sort of thing here. And if you look across the board, what you'll notice is that these pairs are gaining on the US dollar. Here's the loonie as well, actually. Also had a big bearish candle, which of course is selling of the dollar and buying the loonie. So across the board, you're seeing the U.S. dollar weaken, and usually during the Asian session, we don't see a lot of craziness. Like if we go back and look at the pound here, and we go to the 1 hour chart, normally during the Asian session, you see little movement, like right here. That's very little movement, and then you get more movement. Here's the Asian session right here, a little movement, then you get more movement during Europe and New York. Here's the Asian session, a little drop here, but the big drop comes in New York and Europe. Here, same thing. Here's the Asian market. In fact, if I insert the indicator, the I sessions indicator, you can see here the Asian session is identified by this golden box here. And usually the Asian session doesn't have the big moves. It's usually later, but today's a little bit different. It's moved up, and you're probably wondering, well, what the heck's going on here? Here's another example. Asian session, European session, it falls, and New York, it sort of chops around a bit. Asian session, it goes up a little bit, but then Europe and New York, it goes much higher. The reason why today it did that was because of the U.S. election. So as soon as it looks like Obama has won the election, they just called it. That means that obviously, that's bad for the U.S. dollar. And to explain that, the basic idea is that the market believes that Obama will further weaken the U.S. dollar given his policies and what he wants to do, which is basically spend more than Romney. Because Romney's the politician associated with more cuts and less spending, whether you believe that or not, that's basically what the market believes, is that you get a big spender, that's going to tank the U.S. dollar, that's Obama. You get someone who's going to spend a little bit less, maybe it's a little bit better for the economy and things like that. So essentially what we have here is the Obama effect, and that's why you've seen this weakening of the U.S. dollar during the Asian session today. And it may not really reverse that much during the European and New York session. It may actually continue further. And if you look at gold here, you have the same thing. You can see gold has made a nice move up. Let me get rid of this weird line. Gold today has made a nice move up after yesterday's move up. So again, it's bullish. Expect further weakening of the US dollar. This is basically on the back of the announcement. Now, if there's some contention and for some reason there's doubt in the election, then obviously the market will show that as well. But so long as everyone's pretty clear that Obama's won the election, then fine, this will obviously continue. So hopefully that helps. I wish you good trading, and we'll see you soon.